Hello and welcome. You are about to begin a powerful journey with this course, Power BI for Public Health. Build dashboards that save lives. My name is Wilfred Ngwa. I am an epidemiologist, AI expert, and the founder of epiGuider. Over the past decade, I have worked with organizations like Medicine Sans Frontier, the Carter Center, and Site Savers, helping to strengthen data systems across Africa. This course is designed to equip you with practical Power BI skills that will help you transform raw public health data into actionable insights. Insights that can guide decision and ultimately save lives. Whether you're an epidemiologist, data analyst, data manager, public health professional, or just someone who loves data, you learn how to 1. Connect to and clean data from multiple sources. 2. Build robust data models. 3. Create interactive dashboards. 4. Apply advanced analytics to real-world decision making. If you're completely new to Power BI, don't worry. We'll start from the very basics and gradually build up to advanced techniques using real-world public health datasets to make everything practical and relevant. This course is divided into 9 modules. In Module 1, we'll begin with an introduction to Power BI. You'll learn what Power BI is, why it matters in public health, and how to install and navigate Power BI desktop. We'll also explore the broader Power BI ecosystem, including the service and mobile apps. In Module 2, we'll dive into data sources and connections. You'll learn how to connect to Excel files, CSV, web data, and more. We'll clean and transform data using Power Query and work with a real-world example importing vaccination data from Burundi. Module 3 focuses on data modeling for epidemiology. You understand relationships between tables, create calculated columns and measures using DAX, and build a star schema tailored for public health. We'll use maternal data from Bangui as a case study. In Module 4, we'll explore visualizations and dashboards. You'll learn how to choose the right visuals, create bar charts, line charts, maps, and KPI cards, and design interactive dashboards. We'll be a disease surveillance dashboard for DRC together. Module 5 takes us deeper into advanced DAX for public health analytics. You work with time intelligence functions like year-to-date and rolling averages. Apply dynamic filtering and perform cohort analysis. We'll calculate vaccination coverage using data from Cibitoke, Burundi. In Module 6, we'll tackle Geo-Spatial analysis. You learn how to map health data using Power BI maps, shape maps, and even integrate with ArcGIS. We'll visualize malaria incidents by health zone. Module 7 is all about publishing and sharing your work. You learn how to publish reports to Power BI service, create workspaces and apps, set up role security for project-specific access, and embed dashboards into websites or SharePoint. In Module 8, we'll explore automation and integration. You set up scheduled data refreshes, integrate Power BI with Excel, and use R for advanced analytics. We'll be a predictive model for outbreak detection. Finally, in Module 9, you complete a capstone project. You build a full dashboard from raw data to insights. You choose between 3 public health themes: disease surveillance, maternal health monitoring, and vaccination coverage tracking. You submit and showcase your dashboard as a final product. To support your learning, you also get access to the following materials: 1. Downloadable anonymized public health datasets. 2. Power BI templates. 3. Cheat sheets for DAX and Power Query. And finally, data dictionary templates. We are now done with all the talking. So grab your laptop and let's get started on this exciting journey to make data work for better health outcomes. Let's build dashboards that save lives.